Hello everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews here, and I'm at my rental property again, and I am I'm cleaning out my vents, my AC vents. I'm cleaning them. My girlfriend cleaned them with Dawn and vinegar, gave them a little scrub as best we could, get the dust off. Then I dusted out the vents with the vacuum cleaner behind there, and now I'm gonna paint them. And I got some more downstairs that I gotta paint, but these ones I'm gonna paint first. And this is what I'm using, so it's going to be a review of this Fusion all-in-one matte white finish. This is supposed to be like the best stuff. It's supposed to be, so that's why I buy it. It's $1 more than the other crap. So we're going to paint it. This one looks really bad over there, so hopefully it comes out nice. Let's give it a shake. Make sure you wear a mask, gloves, and all that stuff, and eyewear. Don't do what I'm doing. That's a disclaimer. Okay, let's do this. Whew. Ew, that is ugly. Yeah, not coming out how I wanted. They look pretty ugly. Let's see. What the hell's going on here? Alright, so I don't know. I don't really like how they came out. We're going to do a couple of coats and see what it looks like. I think we're going to be better off just replacing it. Replacing that one vent. But we'll check out the other ones. Alright, so that's one can used total, and that's kind of what it looks like. I did a couple of coats so you guys can see what to expect. That's in the shade. This is kind of what it looks like.